Hi, to enable the Not Disturb mode on your OnePlus Nord 3, as a first step, just swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center and then swipe again. So in my case, the Not Disturb mode is located on the second page. And here it is, indicated by this moon icon. So firstly, we can press and hold it and change its setting. As a first step, let's enable it, and now the phone will be silent with no vibration except for always allowed items. So we can go in the exceptions and here select from which contacts we want to receive phone calls, messages, and so on. For example, only favorites. Do just the same for the apps. So for example, we can enable messages and now we will be able to receive messages from this application when the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. You can also go in the schedule and set your own schedule for this mode. Just enable the sleep one, the default one, or you can tap on the plus. Here you can name it as you wish, select time from and time to, and choose when you want to repeat this mode. For example, let's remove Sunday and Saturday. And that is how it will look now. So also, we can check this interesting feature ring for repeated calls. Basically, when someone is calling you and this mode is enabled, you won't be able to hear and see this call. But if you enable this feature and the person will call you one more time, you will be able to hear the ring and to answer this call, because repeated calls from the same number within 3 minutes will not be silenced. And the last feature, silence media when Do Not Disturb is on. You can enable it or disable by tapping on the switcher. So now to disable Do Not Disturb mode, we can simply return back to the control center and simply tap it like that. And if it's gray, then it is disabled. If it's blue, then it is enabled. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.